In 2025, we should understand that creating content isn't optional anymore. It's actually extremely essential for business growth. But here's the problem. Most of you guys will waste thousands on expensive camera setups you don't need. Or worse, you'll delay creating content because you're overwhelmed by equipment choices. So today I'm revealing this one single camera that's actually generating millions of views and thousands in revenues for busy entrepreneurs just like yourself, who have no time to waste on complicated setups or even like editing nightmares. So what if I told you that while your competitors are spending $3,000 plus on professional camera rigs that are literally just there to collect dust, there's a $400 solutions that literally outperforming them all. The difference between businesses that scale using content and those that stay stagnant isn't about having the best equipment. It's about having the right equipment that removes all barriers to consistent posting. So this video is specifically for service-based business owners who need to start converting followers into actual paying clients. Whether you're a coach, consultant, lawyer, or a professional service provider, I'll show you exactly how to use this camera to create content that builds trust, demonstrates your expertise, and most importantly, generates qualified leads. By the end of this video, you'll know not just which camera to buy, but the exact settings, accessories, and posting strategy that will help you create 30 days of content in just 2 hours a month. And if you stay until the end, I'll share the 3-step framework we use with our clients to turn maybe like $100 in ad spend into $3,000 in revenue using this exact camera setup. So the thing I've realized is, and seen time and time again, is when equipment is too hard to use, you simply won't use it often. And with content, posting regularly is everything. You need something that makes it super easy to just hit record and start talking. So this is where you can use this little guy. The camera I'm talking about is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The reason I want business owners to get this camera and nothing else is because it's so easy to use. The easier something is to do, the more you'll do it. That's just what content needs nowadays. Regular posting and lots of it. But that doesn't mean your videos look bad. You can have both. Good quality and quantity. You just need to know how to do that. So when you buy a professional camera, you maybe picture yourself looking amazing on camera. But once you have all that gear, you barely use it because there's so much to do before you even start recording. It takes so long to set up, so you end up not making videos at all. And that is true. So with this camera over here, it only has 2 buttons. It quite literally only has 2 buttons. It gives better quality than your iPhone. It has a screen that turns vertical and horizontal, and it gives you great footage that you'll actually capture regularly. And the best thing is that it's super light. Like, this is the whole bag. You can charge it with the chargers you already have. You can get a case with it, and it's super flexible. And I always suggest to get the combo one because you also get a mic, which is a fantastic DJI mic. It's a high quality and pairs instantly. Just press once and it connects. This is something I use by myself. This is something, an anecdotal experience I'm telling you. Again, I'm not sponsored or anything. I have a lot of equipment. I have the most expensive cameras over here, the lighting's over here. So I have an idea of what works and what doesn't work. It's the easiest thing you'll ever use. The whole point of this setup is to help you make more content. The quality is good. We're not cutting corners here. Is it as good as a $4,000 camera? No. But you don't need that level of quality right now. You want to make good content regularly that you can show to your target audiences and make more sales. Stop worrying so much about equipment. This setup will make you stop worrying about gear because it's all you need. You can focus more on what you're going to be talking about, coming up with ideas, topics. Equipment should fit around you and not the other way around. I've seen this so many times. I've talked to so many business owners who buy lots of equipment but never use it. And they end up hiring us anyways to help with content when they could have saved a lot of money on all that unused gear and never bought it in the first place. So how to use this camera to make more money? So first of all, if you've been thinking about buying lots of equipment, don't. Just buy this one. I promise you, you'll use it. You can use it for everything, B-roll, talking head videos. It gives steady footage. It's quite literally an all-in-one package, and this is a package. And the best way to make money from it is actually pretty simple. Just use it and make a habit of pulling it out and talking to it regularly. Weekly, every 2 weeks, whatever works for you. Just open this camera and start talking. If you're new to being on camera, the first thing you need to do is get comfortable in front of camera. After that, you can write down some basic ideas, just topics on what you're going to be talking about. If you're a fitness coach, you can talk about 3 exercises for instant abs. If you're an expert in this area, I'm pretty sure you already know what the 3 tips are, and you could just say them. Just practice, because if you do this, you'll have more content than you need. The money you would have spent on expensive camera, you can use to hire an editor to help organize your footage. And by your 4th or 5th week, when you're comfortable and know what to talk about, you can start trying some ads even as well. You can use some hooks. So let's say, of course, you're a gym owner in Seattle who targets men who work 9 to 5. Completely random. So you can say something like, if you're in your 30s in Seattle working at 9 to 5, Getting in shape is hard for most men, but I've created an exercise routine specifically for guys like you, and here's how it works. If you use a hook like this and your video looks good, it will perform well. Then you can put some money behind it and start getting some clients. Now, of course, you need a whole ad system behind this, but I have a couple of videos you can watch on that. But even in those videos, I mentioned that the ad itself is super important. So if you get to this stage, you're already getting the most important thing out of the way. So if you want more details on building this process, you can watch my other videos, or you can just schedule a call with me if the ad process seems too complicated. Feel free to reach out to me and then I'll help you throughout the whole process. This is how the right equipment helps you create more content. More content helps you get better at making content. Better content helps you reach more people. And reaching more people helps you make more money. And running ads regularly helps with that too. So just get this camera and stop spending money on things you won't use. Anyways, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next videos on growing your business. Because I only have two goals within these videos. It's to A, is either to make you cash, or B, to help you save cash. In this video, it's kind of like both, but more importantly, it's going to help you save a lot of cash as well. So that's more money in your pocket. And if you're ready to take your content to, just another level, we offer this service, the whole content and ad setup. Just click the link below to book a call with me where we can talk about how to use this system for your business. And also leave a comment. Tell me what content you plan to make with your new camera. I answer every comment and would love to hear your ideas. All right, we'll see you in the next one.